How to start secret chat on Telegram X. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. So to start secret chat on Telegram X, first navigate to Telegram X app on your device and sign into your account. Now look for the pencil-like icon at bottom right corner of your screen, and here you will see the new secret chat. Simply you can choose new secret chat and then choose the chat or the contact with whom you want to start the secret chat on Telegram app. I'm not accessing this due to the restrictions of screen recording. So this was the one way. The second way is simply you need to navigate to three-line icon to open the side menu. There you will see the option to of contact. Select that, and now you can easily choose a particular contact from this list. Tap to open it and then head towards the profile and open it. Once you open it, select the three dots at top right. A menu bar will appear where at the top you will see Start Secret Chat. You can select that and start a secret chat on Telegram X. And with that, you are good to go. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.